There's a good chance you're wasting thousands of dollars in your home. Here's how to stop it. A lot of us use over half of our home's yearly energy just on heating and cooling. That's about 10 times as much as it takes to keep your lights on all year. That's where heat pumps come in. These appliances save you money because of the way they heat and cool your home. In the summer, that means moving warm air from inside to outside to cool you down. And in the winter, it means doing the opposite, moving warm air from the outside inside to warm you up. So if you want to save money on your energy bills, a heat pump is one of the best decisions you could possibly make, especially if you live in, say, a factory loft with really high ceilings that takes forever to cool down during the summer. Heat pump can save you $1,000 a year on average, which is a little under $100 a month. And there are a lot of good reasons for that. Because they work for heating and cooling, they can replace 2 appliances at once. Plus, they use less energy for heating than traditional furnaces, and they're better at maintaining a constant temperature than standard ACs. This one homeowner says they saved $1,500 just in one winter by adding a heat pump to help out their oil-based heater. Plus, the government will basically pay you to install one, with thousands of dollars in federal and state tax incentives for people who add one to their homes. So it makes sense that more Americans bought a heat pump than a traditional furnace in 2024. They're no longer this niche random technology anymore. They're totally mainstream. If you want to see what a heat pump or any kind of high efficiency HVAC costs where you live, we really recommend this tool from Mitsubishi. You can find the best contractors in your area and make sure you're saving the most energy possible with the best options.